I'm Joanne. I will explain how to install Nazava Water Filter. It's so easy. Take the base, make the lower container with the tap. Then we have the ceramic filter. Hold it on the blue part. It has two rubbers. Take one, insert it on the upper container like this. Then the other one, insert it here. Take the tube, screw it here slowly, like this. Then insert it here. Pour rain water, tap water, well water, also river water. Then you take the lid, cover the filter. Yeah, and it's all complete. Choose Nazava, choose clean water, save water, stay healthy.